Mm, cool. Yo, my name is Waddleston, and this is Concept of Fear, which I have no clue what it is, because I have no fear. This concept is going to be taught to me, because I fear nothing. Nothing! But yes, my name is Waddleston. Hello, welcome to the channel. That wasn't fear. I wasn't scared. Just surprised. Hmm. Hmm. Gosh, there's some sensitivity to get your assignment done before. Don't know. What am I supposed to be doing? Bridge. Dark corner. Don't know. Don't care. Just keep moving on. Oh, boy, how are you guys doing today? You guys are doing well, as always. Shut up, TV. Um, what happened? Que paso? Ceiling. What about it? Don't know. Oh, key. Obtain bedroom key. Toilet room. Do people actually call it toilet room? I thought it wasn't it always known as bathroom. Nice. Open computer. Computer. This is actually very similar to my room, guys. I record my videos on this very same computer. Did somebody just lock my door? Identify knocking sound. Okay. Hello? Quit knocking, you donut. You doo-doo head. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop knocking my door. A guest? Why are you asking me? Return to PC. Gotcha. I will return to my PC. I will return to my PC and boot it up. Okay. Oh my gosh. What do you want? What do you want from me? I don't know what you want from me. Shut up. God. Who are you? Who are you? Who do you think you are asking me who I am? I am who I am. Are you? Is this my house? Are you inside my home? You're the weirdo here. Something has changed. Explore the rooms. Epic. Oh, everything looks the same to me. Nothing has changed. Nothing at all. Everything's the same. Always. Always has been. Locker. Why are there so many lockers? Just breathe. Breathe and you'll be fine. Chen. What? What'd that do? What that? Okay, whatever. No questions from me. None. No. This one doesn't have a number. Toilet locker. Anyways, as every household should have a toilet locker. I'm smart. I am smart. Smart is what I am. No, screw. Why do I need a screwdriver? You're a college student. You need to think. Oh, crap. Wait a second. Hmm. Oh. Oh, I found it. Open. Open. The animations, though. Binary numerical systems. This is all reminding me too much of what I'm doing. How do I? What do you want me to do here? Can I open the other one too? Books. Key. Key for the toilet. Obtain the toilet locker key. I did. It looks like I've obtained it, so I will go open the toilet locker, as everybody has in their home. Standard issued toilet locker. What do we store in there? That's up to you. I use mine for the unmentionables, you know.
Bodies.
Of course, the flip, the switch, the classic switch in the locker. The class. Shut up! Shut up! Not this one? I'll make you shut up. I'll make you shut up. That's for dang sure. Shut up! Looks like I forgot the freaking. You? Not you. Where is it at? You? No, not you. Gosh, it's so loud. Stop. Shut up! You piece of garbage. Just say hello like a normal person. Gosh. So loud. Oh, that's not normal. Skulls don't fly through. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. It's normal. Open sesame. Nothing. Still nothing. More cans. Oh. Wait a second. Why won't you leave? This is my home. Why don't you leave, you piece of garbage? You think I'm rich enough to move? I'm poor. I'm a poor college student. I will sleep in this haunted apartment until it kills me. Do you think everybody has to make sacrifices, you know, living with their parents, living in a haunted apartment? It's just I didn't want my parents walking in on me, okay? Okay, what happens if I wanted a girl, huh? What happens if I want... What are you? What did that do? What do you do? What did that do? Is there one in here too? There is. There's one in every room. The mask. The mask. They mean something. What are they trying to tell me? Speak. Speak to me. Mask? Mask? You masked men. Oh. Oh. What is it? What does it want from me? Red. Okay, so this is double red. That one's double red. Is there one by the front door? If that one's double red, no, nope, no front door mask. Of course, obvious, my bad. Front door mask. Left to right, it's red, blue, red, blue. Red, blue. Blue, red, blue, red. Red, blue, red. Red, blue, red. Red, blue, red, blue. Red, blue, red, blue. Red, blue, red. Red, blue, blah. Bleep blah, blue, blah, blah, blue. Red, blue, red. Red, blue. Yeah? Ooh. I'm smart. I'm so smart. I'm... You think I'm above punching babies? You think I'm above punching babies? I'll uppercut you. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Where are you, you little baby? Little baby boy? In the bathroom? Taking a little bath? Little bath baby? Little bath baby crybaby boy? Little bath baby crybaby boy? Where the freak are you at? Oh wait, it said a door was unlocked. Is it this one? Am I about to die? Was I stupid all along? The answer is yes. The answer may surprise you. BuzzFeed quiz. Okay. Okay, little baby, hush. This is your fault. Oh, why would you say something so mean to me? Whoa. Hello? Goodbye. Screw you. Screw you. I don't know what you're doing, but screw you. What'd that do? It forced me to look this way. Forced me to do this. So I'm gonna do it. Nope, nothing. Okay, never mind. But anyways. What was I saying? Gosh, I am something else. Entirely. Storage room. It's this. I got a bedroom key. Key to my bedroom, which is already opened. Okay. Bedroom locker is opening now. I like what you did with the place. You know, might take it into consideration. What's my fault? Flashlight epic. Man. Pooter. Believe it or not, this is actually my computer. Can opener. Well, I know the place with a bunch of cans. Too many cans, apparently. This one. Why couldn't I just... Whatever. Locker key. Kitchen locker. This is the kitchen, isn't it? Yep. There we go. We're getting there, baby. We're getting there one step at a time. I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna save you. I know earlier I said I was gonna punch you in the face, but now, you and me, baby, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine, you and me. It's not my fault. I don't know what's my fault, but it's my fault apparently. Ooh. I don't know what that is. What is front door? Front door. What's front door? What's in my front door? Collect my parts for a reward is... Wait, collect my parts for a reward is promised. Okay. What's your parts? What is your, What's your parts? Whatever, we'll figure it out. Oh, that's a corpse waste. Of course I'd pick that up. Of course. Pick that up, store it around. That's a normal thing to do. Ooh, is that a foot? You need one of those. You need a foot, don't we? Fits your tootsies. Your tootsies are needed in order to function, aren't they? Aren't they? You little rascal, you. You little rascal. There's other tootsie. There's another tootsie for you. Yay. I'm having so much fun. It's so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Open sesame. Nothing here. Why is there nothing in the bathroom? Wonder. Don't know. Ah, there it is. There's the right arm. The only arm you need. So we got a waist. We got 2 tootsies. And all we're missing is an arm. Another torso. and left arm, which could be, where could it? Of course, the head. You're mine now. You're me. Nah. Mine. My head is your head. There they are. The other right thigh. So I gotta find a left thigh. Now, dude, how many body parts? I'll grab that through the door. Apparently, how many body parts do you have? I feel like I've searched good amount of places. Am I missing anything? Let's go to the bathroom to check real quick. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Dude, like usually I record my recordings in the during the day, right? But this is like one of the first few times where I'm doing my bulk recording at night. It's so much freaking scarier, man. It's so dark. It's so dark everywhere. And the past videos that I recorded, great games. But the past videos that I recorded, man, it got me pooping my pants. So you'll see in the future what games they are. But dude, the night recording people are built differently. I need another torso or something like that. Thigh. The most attractive part of the body, in my opinion, the thigh, and also the most delicious. I don't eat people. I'm talking about chickens. Gosh, I should really think about what I say. But yes. Where is it at? Where is it? It has to be in the bathroom. It has to be. Like, what? Where else could it be? I mean, this won't open. And there's nothing. It has to be in the bathroom. It has to be in the bathroom. Gots to be in the bathroom. There it is. I found you. I found you. Well, with that, we've collected all the Pokemon possible, and now we shall assemble it. It's like a Lego, you know. I think we've found everything. I hope. Collected the body parts. Now what do you want me to do? Got him. What do you want me to do here? Oh! You know, thank you would be nice. Really, it really. I don't need it. I don't need to thank you. I don't. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I don't. I'll leave you be. You enjoy it. You're just doing a good deed. Just doing a good deed. Doing a good deed. Doing a good deed. Doing my part. Doing my great. I'll let you do your thing. You know, you can just let me leave. That'd be pretty spectacular too. I don't. Guess we're going to the baby room. It's all my fault. Princess me. Oh nope, I'm dumb. That was stupid of me. That was. Are we sure? Yeah, it was. Yeah, we are sure that was stupid of me. Okay. Gosh, what do you want from me? I don't know what you want from me. The lounge. Oh. Let me scooch on past. Let me scooch on past. Oh, never mind. I don't want to scooch on past you. Where's the lounge? The lounge. Because I got a key. I don't know. Oh, lounge locker. This is the lounge. Open sesame. Okay. Change the wallpaper. Change the. It's squishy. Very very squishy, aren't we now? You and the floor and everything. Squish, squish, squish. Squishy, squishy. Everything. That's spectacular. What? This is just creepy. Just downright weird. Weird. I hope that's where I'm supposed to be going. Nope. Hello? I don't know who you are. I feel like we could just talk this out. Concept of Fear, a game made by Ace. Thanks for playing. Thanks for making the game, guy. It takes a lot of work, and you did a pretty good job. You did a pretty good job. You did a really good job. A really good job. Anyways, give these people their credit. They deserve it. They worked hard, and there you go. Anyways, that was a great game. Very spooky at times. I didn't know what was happening a lot of times, but there were some jump scares that got me. And overall, the concept is pretty fearful. You see what I did there? Cut that out. Cut that out, Charlie. This is great. This was fun. This was my first night recording. This is my first night recording, so it may be different. I may be more scared in these following videos, but it is what it is. Wow. Anyways, I know I record my videos in bulk, and like I've always said, I can't react to the awesome things you guys do, but thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and thank you guys for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. There's more videos on my channel about similar stuff that I do. Well, similar stuff I mean by playing more horror games, because I am addicted to fear. No, gosh, I gotta. This is not how you attract people. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next one. So, peace.